Daisies flower. Daisies are another one of the most beautiful flowers in the world. There are many species of daisies throughout the world. This family of flowers is characterized by a yellow center surrounded by delicate petals. Daisy season. Like clockwork, these daisies return every spring or early summer and bloom until early fall. They can be aggressive growers, so if you don't want them spreading, choose varieties that don't produce viable seed or remove flowers before they go to seed. What is special about daisies? Daisies are actually closely related to artichokes and they are a great source of vitamin C, so eat up. Also, daisies have lots of medicinal properties. They are known to slow bleeding, relieve indigestion, and soothe coughs. How do daisies spread? Daisies belong to many different genera in the composite family, growing in diverse habitats and climates, with seed dispersal mechanisms that work for that particular environment. Daisy seeds ride the wind on parachutes or wings, get carried around by birds, cling to animal fur, and are spread by human activities. How tall does Daisy grow? They range from about 10 inches to several feet tall and include variations with single, double, frilly, or ruffled petals. They are not overly needy plants. And are fast to moderate growers. Water them well the first season or two while they develop root systems, but don't overdo it.